Let's grab some things from the garden to make some food. Dragon's tongue beans. Just a few. Little cabbage. A couple of carrots. Chives. Basil. A bell pepper. Little reminder that you don't have to wait for bell peppers to be fully ripened if you don't want to, and you can pick them pretty much whenever you want. Your garden, your rules. Citrine tomatoes, parsley, garlic, this little onion. All right, so here's what we ended up grabbing. Yum.